Romanism is now regarded by Protestants with far greater favor than in former years. In those countries where Catholicism is not in the ascendency and the papists are taking a conciliatory course in order to gain influence, there is an increasing indifference concerning the doctrines that separate the Reformed churches from the papal hierarchy. The opinion is gaining ground that, after all, we do not differ so widely upon vital points as has been supposed, and that a little concession on our part will bring us into better understanding with Rome. The time was when Protestants placed a high value upon the liberty of conscience, which has been so dearly purchased. They taught their children to abhor popery and held that to seek harmony with Rome would be a disloyalty to God. But how widely different are the sentiments now expressed. The defenders of popery declare that the church has been maligned, and the Protestant world are inclined to accept the statement. Many urge that it is unjust to judge the church of today by the abominations and absurdities that marked her reign during the centuries of ignorance and darkness. They excuse her horrible cruelty as the result of the barbarism of the times and plead that the influence of modern civilization has changed her sentiments. Have these persons forgotten the claim of infallibility put forth for 800 years by this haughty power? So far from being relinquished, this claim has been affirmed in the 19th century with greater positiveness than ever before. As Rome asserts that she never erred and never can err, how can she renounce the principles which governed her course in past ages? Ellen G. White, The Great Controversy Between Christ and Satan, page 563, 1888 edition.